The Mitsubishi 6G72 is a 3.0-litre V6 engine produced by the Japanese automaker at its Kyoto plant from 1986 to 2018. Introduced alongside the 2.0-litre 6G71, the 6G72 later served as the foundation for other engine variants, including the 2.5-litre 6G73, 3.5-litre 6G74, and 3.8-litre 6G75. This engine was widely used across numerous Mitsubishi, Dodge, and Chrysler models. Notably, popular Japanese SUVs like the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, Montero Sport Challenger, and Mitsubishi Pajero Montero Shogun were equipped with the 3.0L V6 engine at various points. Additionally, a high-performance twin-turbo version, the 6G72 TT, was developed for sports cars such as the Mitsubishi 3000 GT/GTO and the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Let's explore the design, common issues, and reliability of the 6G72 engine in detail. The 3.0-litre 6G72 engine is built around a cast-iron V-shaped cylinder block with a 60-degree angle between the cylinder banks. Depending on the production year and engine version, it features single-cam SOHC aluminum heads with either 2 or 4 valves per cylinder, or twin-cam DOHC heads with 4 valves per cylinder. The camshafts are driven by a timing belt, and some versions of the 6G72 include the Mitsubishi MIVEC variable valve timing system, but only on the intake side. All 6G72 engines are equipped with hydraulic valve lash adjusters, eliminating the need for manual adjustment. Most 6G72 engines use conventional multi-point fuel injection (MPI), but there is also a version with GDI direct fuel injection. The GDI version has an increased compression ratio of up to 11, a high-pressure fuel injection pump, and unique cylinder heads with piezo injectors that deliver fuel directly into the combustion chambers. The 6G72 GDI is relatively rare and typically found in cars for the Japanese domestic market, JDM. The 6G72 engine was in production for many years, but in the 2010s it gradually gave way to the 3.5-litre 6G74 engine. By the 2020s, Mitsubishi had fully transitioned to the new all-aluminum 3.0-litre V6 engine known as the 6B31. The 3.0-litre Mitsubishi 6G72 TT engine is a rare and distinctive variant featuring twin turbochargers. This turbocharged V6 is equipped with 2 MHI TD0409B turbochargers, or TD0413G in the European specification, and dual air-to-air intercoolers. The engine achieves a maximum boost pressure of 0.5 bars. Compared to the naturally aspirated 6G72, the 6G72 TT has a lower compression ratio of 8, 1 specialized camshafts, and reinforced forged pistons. It also includes an oil cooler and piston cooling jets in the cylinder block to spray oil onto the piston's undersides for enhanced heat dissipation. The standard 6G72 TT engine generates 286 horsepower and 407 or 415 Newton meters of torque. The most powerful version, found in the Mitsubishi GTO/3000 GT VR4, produces 324 horsepower at a boost pressure of 0.8 bars and delivers 427 Newton meters of torque. The 6G72 engine is renowned for its reliability and robustness with few inherent problems. Its design lacks significant weak points, making it one of Mitsubishi's most dependable and low-maintenance engines. This engine can run on lower quality fuel and isn't highly demanding when it comes to engine oil. However, even the most reliable engines have their drawbacks, and the 6G72 is no exception. One major issue is that if the timing belt breaks, it will almost certainly result in bent valves. The timing belt itself is of high quality and can last over 60,000 miles, 90,000 kilometers, but only if it doesn't come into contact with engine oil, which can happen if there's a leak from the front cover gasket. Additionally, the hydraulic compensators, lash adjusters, are known to be unreliable, often needing replacement every 60,000 miles. Another drawback is the complexity of replacing spark plugs. The intake manifold must be removed to access the spark plugs, adding to the difficulty of this maintenance task. As the engine accumulates mileage and ages, typical wear and tear issues can start to appear. Generally, at around 200,000 miles, the engine may begin to consume more oil due to worn piston rings and hardened valve stem seals. With high mileage, other common issues include leaks in the cooling system pipes, oil seals, and gaskets, as well as electrical problems such as faults with high voltage wires, sensors, and ignition coils. So, is the 6G72 3.0 a reliable engine? As life has shown, despite the fact that 3.0-litre Mitsubishi engines still have some drawbacks, the 6G72 is a robust and reliable engine. The downside of this engine is its low power and high fuel consumption by modern standards, but you still have to pay something for reliability and maintainability. All engines break down at some point, as nothing lasts forever. To extend the life of your engine, it is recommended to maintain it on time, fill it with high quality and recommended motor oil, and refuel the car with premium gas. With proper care, the 6G72 3.0 V6 Mitsubishi engine is guaranteed to last more than 250,000 miles.